Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the VIN and a verified email to link your car quickly, so sign in after installing the Kia Access app. Once done, grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can detect your vehicle. This speeds pairing and remote commands. Next, enter the VIN or scan the QR from your keycard, then follow on-screen prompts to confirm ownership. Make sure to enable push notifications for status alerts and two-factor prompts, because those confirmations finish the setup and keep your account secure. Once your car is linked, pair your phone with the vehicle's Bluetooth and test a quick call to ensure connectivity. Then open remote services to enable lock/unlock, remote start, and climate preconditioning. Tap each feature and follow the authorization steps. Some require a short wait while Kia verifies the vehicle. Make sure to set a secure 4 to 6-digit PIN for critical commands and allow background app refresh so status updates arrive in real time. This combination ensures the app controls work reliably and securely. You're almost done. Run through each remote command from a short distance to confirm the car responds and the app reports status. Then personalize alerts for charging, maintenance, and location sharing so the app fits your routine. Make sure automatic updates are allowed and save your vehicle profile for faster access. If something goes wrong, start by checking your Kia Access subscription and the vehicle's power state. Then reboot the phone, repair Bluetooth, and retry the command. Most issues clear after reauthentication or reconnecting the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.